Hey everyone, if you're having trouble logging into Zapier, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the most common fixes to solve Zapier login issues quickly. First, double-check your email and password. Make sure you're using the correct account linked to your Zapier profile, and try typing everything carefully again. Next, if you're using Google, Microsoft, or Apple login, make sure you're signing in with the same method you originally used to create your account. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes old data can block the login page from working properly, so refresh your browser and try again. Also try switching to a different browser or using incognito mode. This helps rule out any extension or browser-related problems. After that, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent the login page from loading correctly. So if you're still unable to log in, try resetting your password using the Forgot Password option and follow the email instructions to create a new one. Finally, if nothing works, check Zapier's status page to see if there's a temporary outage affecting login services. And that's it. Yeah, these steps fix most Zapier login issues and help you get back into your account quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.